my channel. Today I'm going to show you a painting I did that was just all in one colour, which was in Deathream Blue by Winsor & Newton. I did sort of moist up my other watercolours because I wasn't quite sure what colours I was going to use. But I did this in a sketchbook that I like to paint in most mornings, and I just used one colour, so it's just a tonal painting. It's just complete one colour. It's a really good practice for you to be able to do this because it teaches you sort of a lesson in tone, capturing the lights and darks to create a painting just in one colour, and it's really effective. So please go and have a go. I'm not going to talk you through step by step what I'm doing because it's quite obvious, but please take note of the way I hold my brush, and it's really loose. It's not a botanical painting, and just to remember, the more water you add to the colour, it gets lighter, and the less water, it's darker. It's quite simple, and you create all the tones in between to create a lovely painting. So I hope you enjoy this, and please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to know some more tips and tricks and get lots of classes and tutorials and inspiration and lots of behind the scenes things that are going on, please think about joining my Patreon. All the link is below. Enjoy. Bye. I really hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for more notifications of my sketchbook paintings. Thank you, bye!